Good morning, students. Welcome back to ninth class English. The name of the story is The Lost Child. We have already discussed some of the paragraphs of the story and came to know that the child, while observing the merry-go-round intently, lost his father. He looked for them here and there, but could not find it and started crying in a loud voice. A man saw it and rescued the boy. Now let's know what happened then. Yes, just 1 minute. Part 4, that is how did he, that is the man asked the child, how did you get here, child? Eva, tu eଠି କେମିତି ଆସିଲୁ? Who asked? The man asked the boy. Whose baby are you? ତୁ କାହା ପୁଅ ରେ? ତୁ କାହା ଛୁଆ? Who? The man asked worriedly. ବଡ଼ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତରେ. Who asked whom? The man asked the boy. What did the man ask? The man asked, how did you get here? How did you get here, child? How did you get here, son? Whose boy are you? The child wept. Weep, wept, wept. Weep kandiba, wept kandila. This is the past tense. Who wept? The child wept. The child wept more bitterly than ever. Now आग जिनका तार अधिकार कंदन कला बहुत करुण कंदन कला एंड ओनली क्राइड आई वांट माय मदर आई वांट माय फादर दैट बॉय सेड लाइक दिस क्राइड लाइक दिस हु क्राइड लाइक दिस द बॉय क्राइड लाइक दिस द मैन ट्राइड टू सूथ हिम कंसोल हिम ताको शांत करे डोंट क्राई प्लीज डोंट क्राई The man said like this. The man tried to soothe him by taking him to the roundabout. Roundabout पाको से दोली पाको नहीं ताको तार कांद बंद करिया चेष्टा कला. Who tried? The man tried. Who's cry? To stop who's cry? The boys cry. Will you have a ride on the horse? ताको पचाला. The घोड़ा पे चढ़ो घोड़ा खेलो. Who asked whom? The man asked the boy, why? To divert his attention, to stop him crying. He gently asked, धीर पचाला, as he approached the ring. Ring पाको जाई पचाला, will you have a horse ride? The child did not look at it. जम्मा से टेको अनेलानी. But he only shouted, केवल पार्टी करी कहला, I want my father, I want my mother. The boy said like this. I want my mother, I want my father. Who cried? The boy cried. Next, the man headed towards the plain place. The man headed Adoku Gola toward the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swaying cobra. Could you understand? The man went to the place, say Jagagola, where the snake charmer was playing his flute to the swaying cobra. Mundo हलौतुवा कोब्रा को voice फुकी नचौतुवा snake charmer पाकू गला. Who went to where? The man went to where? The man went to the place where the snake charmer was playing his flute to the swaying cobra. Cobra means Nagasapa. Listen to that nice music, child. Listen to that nice music, child. Eva, केड़े सुंदर बजो जी देखे. Who said it? The man said it. He pleaded. अनुनय करी कहला देख रे बापा देखे के सुंदर बुझुची. But the child shut his ears with his fingers. तार आंगुठे कान बंद करदेला एंड साउटेड रडी कला. हिज डबल पीस स्ट्रेन आउर जोरिया रडी कला दी गुणा रडी छाड़ला. I want my mother, I want my father. Who said it? The child said it. When the child was with his parents, everything was attractive to him. But when he lost his parents, nothing was attractive to him. Nothing was important to him. The only important thing to him was only his parents, father and mother. Could understand it? But the child shut his ears with his fingers and shouted his double pitched strain. I want my mother, I want my father. The man took him near the balloons. Again the man took him to the near the balloons. Balloon पाखु नेला. You remember? Balloon देखिकिरी से केते आकर्षित होइतिला किनिबा पई माँ बापा कहउतुला जिद्दी करतुला किंतु एबे कौन करछि लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. The man took him near the balloons thinking the bright colors of the balloons would distract the children's attention. से ता पाखु नेला भाबितिला बेलून देखिकिरी बोधे माँ बापा भूली जाइपारे माँ बापांकर मिसिंगटा टू विकर्षित होइपारे बट इट डिड नॉट हैपन. एमिति हेलानी. एंड क्वेटन हिम क्वेटेन्ड ताकू शांत करिया पई चेष्टा करतला बट ही फेल्ड टू डू सो करि पारलानी. Would you like a rainbow colored balloon? इंद्रधनु रंगर balloon नबो. Who said? Who asked whom? The man asked to the boy. He very lovingly asked both आदर पचारला गेले पचारला. The child turned his eyes आखि बुलाई देला from the flying balloons. बेलून रु आखि बाहर करी नहीं गला एंड जस्ट सब्ड कहीं कहीं कांदिला. कौन? आई वांट माई मदर, आई वांट माई फादर. कुड अंडरस्टैंड? एवरी टाइम द मैन आस्क्ड हिम टू हैव एनीथिंग, द बॉय used to say only one thing, that is I want my mother, I want my father. The man still trying to make the child happy, पिलाटा खुशी करिया पई तथापि चेष्टा करथुला. बोर हिम टू दी गेट. बोर माने बोई नेला. बिएर बोर हिम टू दी बिएर बोर बॉर्न टू गेट वेयर दी फ्लावर सेलर सेट. जोटारे फूल बिकाली बसीथिला द्वार फाटक पाखे बसुवा फूल बिकाली पाखु नेला एंड सेड लुक चाइल्ड लुक. देख रे आप देखे. कैन यू स्मेल दोज नाइस फ्लावर्स? से जो सुंदर फूल को बासना बारी पार्चु ना? कैन यू स्मेल दोज नाइस फ्लावर्स चाइल्ड? वुड यू लाइक ए गार्लैंड टू पुट राउंड योर नेक? फूलमालटिए किनिदेवी तो बेकर लगे को. द चाइल्ड टर्नड हिज नोज. नाक टेकिला. द चाइल्ड टर्नड हिज नोज अवे फ्रॉम द बास्केट एंड रिपीटेड हिज सब एंड सेड द सेम सब. व्हाट वाज द सेम सब? आई वांट माय मदर, आई वांट माय फादर. This was the words of the child wherever he was taken by the man. thinking he could change the child's mind, ତା ପିଲାଟାର ମନଟା ବଦଳେଇ ଦେଇବ ଭାବି, and make him happy, ତାକୁ ଖୁସି କରେଇ ପାରିବ ଭାବି, by a gift of sweet, ମିଠା ଉପହାର ଦେଇ, the man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. At last, the man, children are fond of sweets. As it is the case, the man thought that, let me go to the shop and buy some sweets and which will change his mind. The man thought, ଭାବିଲା ତାପରେ ଯିବି ପିଲା ପାଇଁ ମିଠା ଖଣ୍ଡେ କିଣିବି ତାକୁ ଦେଇଦେବି ତା ମନ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ହେଇଯିବ. This was the thought of the man. With this thought, ଏମିତି ଭାବି, the man went to a sweet shop and bought some sweets from the counter of the shop. What sweets would you like? What sweets would you like, child? Eva. Ko mitha khau कहते? Koda khau. He asked. The man asked. The child turned his face from the sweet shop. Could you understand what the child did? The child turned his face. ता मुँह फेरे देला, बुलेई देला. And only sobbed. केवल कहला. Remember, what do you think the child would have said? कौन कहती बोली तुम भावुच? The child said, only the child played the only cassette, that is, I want my father, I want my mother. This is the old song the boy repeated whenever he was taken to any place. Could you understand? So, this is the story about the prose, the lost child. Today, we discussed the last paragraphs of the 9th class English. The name of the story is The Lost Child. We will have other proses or other topics in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.